Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now in order to unfollow everyone on Facebook, what you need to do is, after you open Facebook, you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in your menu section of your Facebook, scroll a bit down and click on where it says Settings and Privacy. Once you click on Settings and Privacy, make sure you click the first option called Settings. Now once you're inside the settings, scroll a bit down and right under Preferences, you can see this option called Newsfeed. Click on Newsfeed, and once you're inside your Facebook's newsfeed, the third option which says Unfollow, click on it. Once you come over here, it's going to show you the list of all the people you follow on Facebook. So these are the list of all the people I follow. What I can do is just click on their name and they will be selected just like this over here. Once you see this like little blue color called unfollow at the top, you can see I have unfollowed. So as you guys can see, I can just click on people like this and I can start unfollowing them just like this over here. Just like this, as you guys can see, I'm unfollowing them. And just like this, you guys can unfollow everybody all at once on Facebook. Just click on their name and they will start to be unfollowed like this. Once you're done, click on the done at the top and you have basically unfollowed everyone on Facebook. So that's how you guys can unfollow everyone on Facebook all at once. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.